we are presenting 3 automatic hand dispenser unit. This is the mount model, this is the lion head model, and this is the third model. All the 3 models are working on a 12 volt 1 ampere power supply unit. All the 3 models are having a flow control adjustment and the range control adjustment to adjust the range and the flow of liquid for different liquids which you are using. The first 2 models are the tabletop design, plus they can be mounted on a wall by a simple hanging arrangement. Now let's focus on their working. Now let's talk about the mount model. In this mount model, we are having a flow adjustment knob at the top. By pushing the knob, we are reducing the flow. By pulling the knob outside, we are increasing the flow. Similarly, here we are having the sensor range adjustment knob. By screwdriver or say by a tester, we can increase or decrease the range of activation. At what height, at what range that sensor should be activated. Now this hole is provided for filling the sanitizing fluid. It is already filled there, so we will not fill it again. Now here we will have a level indication also, plus if some vestige is there, if I am removing my hand, the vestige fluid will also get this, it will be saved here. Now here we are having a 12 volt 1 ampere power supply which is provided with the unit. I am simply inserting the power supply. We are having a simple arrangement here for a push and fit arrangement of a power socket. Now if I am inserting my hand beneath the sensor, it will activate the flow of fluid. Now this is the liquid I am getting. The time you keep your hand, you will get the sanitizing fluid. The moment you remove it, it will be shut down. Now let's see the second model. Now this is the second lion head mount model, which can be a tabletop design or can be mounted on a wall. Here also we are having the flow adjustment, which is increase or decrease based on the pull and push of this knob. We are having a power socket supply over here. Here we are having a sensor arrangement. Same like the previous model, if we are rotating clockwise or anti-clockwise, we can change the range of activation of the output nozzle. Now the liquid is filled from this point, this basin. I will simply pour the liquid, it will fill into the tank, the level will be indicated by the that liquid. Now I am inserting this power plug in this push and fit arrangement. This is the indication that the system is working. Now if I am inserting my hand, we will have a flow of fluid. The time I keep my hand, will have the flow. The moment I remove, it will switch off. Range can be adjusted from this point and the flow can be adjusted from this knob. Thank you. Now we'll focus on the third model. Now under the automatic dispenser unit, this is the third model what we are proposing. This is a user-friendly unit which also works on a 12 volt 1 ampere power supply. It is also provided with a flow control knob. If I am pushing the knob, we are reducing the flow. If I am pulling it out, we are increasing the flow. That is based on the fluids what you are using, either sanitizing or a hand wash solution. Now the power socket arrangement knob is provided over here. Range adjustment knob is over here, which can be adjusted with the help of a simple screwdriver, and the sensors are mounted on the top. Now here the user can easily remove the tank and fill the sanitizing fluid. Now say I am filling this sanitizing liquid or say a hand wash solution or some other solution in this chamber. We will simply scroll it up to tighten the system. Now I am somewhat increasing the flow over here. I am plugging the power supply. Now if I am bringing my hand in front of the sensor, it will dispense that alcoholic fluid from the nozzle. You see,